welcome back to my channel. If you guys notice that I'm not talking as loud as I usually do, is because my baby girl is sleeping right here and I'm really trying hard not to wake her, so hopefully you guys don't mind that. So I have a haul for you guys. They are from different stores. So the things that I got are from Old Navy, off Broadway shoes, and one thing from Walmart. Before we begin, if you guys have not subscribed, please click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post a new video. I do post 5 days a week, so why not join me? And without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to show you is what I got at Walmart. At Walmart I only got one thing. So it is this button up top, and I absolutely love it. Now I got this recommendation from Madison Payne, or Mads Payne. She has a YouTube channel here, and she recommended this top as like one of her favorites, and when she said that, I knew I had to pick it up because I've been looking for a top like this for the longest time and I can never find it, and when I do, they're either too sheer or they just are horrible quality. And if you guys don't know, I'm very heavy chested. I am a 34 triple D, so it's kind of hard to find tops like this that fit me. I got a size medium, and guys, it fits perfect. It doesn't do this thing where, you know, you could tell it's too tight. I just love it. It's like a relaxed fit, and it's actually what it's called. They say it's a relaxed fit. You can roll it up, and it has this thing right here that you can cuff it and button it right here so it can stay. This one is on sale for like $9.98 at walmart.com. They're originally, I think, $16.88, and they are on sale right now. And moving on to the Old Navy. My favorite thing that I found at Old Navy is this really beautiful dress. It looks like this, and it goes over the knee. It is kind of like a midi dress. It's not quite maxi, and in the back it has this stretchy material, which is pretty awesome because, like I said, I am heavy on top. So material like this, if it doesn't have some stretch to it, it will be too tight and it'll look like I'm about to explode up in here. So I'm so glad that they have the stretchy material in the back. This is a size medium, and I love the fact that it has adjustable straps. Now this one was originally $39.99, but it was on sale for half the price. So this I got for $20. Guys, you have no idea. I've been wanting to get a dress like this for the longest time. I was debating on getting it on Shein.com, but I just wasn't sure because I wasn't sure it's gonna fit me, and I hate the hassle of returning things. So when I found this at Old Navy, I was so excited. Now they do have this in multiple styles and colors. They had it in a white. I was gonna get the white one, but I didn't end up getting it. They do have them in multiple colors and styles, but I just love this one, guys. This is so perfect for the summertime, and it is lined. So it has this layer on the inside. And then the next thing I found at Old Navy are these shorts right here. They call them the boyfriend mid-rise, and I got this in a size 6. These are so awesome, guys. Now with shorts, it's kind of tricky for me because I'm very curvy, so sometimes it can fit me on my waist, but it will not fit me on my booty. So it would fit me, but it would look just very inappropriate. I actually tried like 3 or 4 different shorts at Old Navy, and all of them just looked weird on me. And when I seen this, I was so excited. I just love these little distress detail right here, and these were originally $29.99, and I got these 50% off, so they ended up being only $15. And I actually went shopping that day with a fellow YouTuber here. She is one of my really good friends as well, and if you guys have not checked out her channel is called Meet the Hymas. I'm gonna link it down below. But guys, this is the pair of shorts that she actually wanted as well. So I tried it on, and then she tried them on, and she fell in love with them. We did look for another pair of these, and we couldn't. So literally, these were the last one. They didn't even have like different sizes in these. This was the last one, which was really insane. So I assume a lot of people love this for a reason because they are so amazing. The fit is great. It just looks good. So yeah, I love these so much. And then the next item that I picked up is this one right here. This is for my baby girl, and I just thought it was so cute. So it has this really beautiful top and the diaper cover right here. This was originally $22.99, but I got it on clearance for $10.94, which I think is a pretty awesome price for it. I just think it's beautiful, and I love this ruffle detail right here. It's very flowy and breathable, so it's perfect for the summer weather right now. So yeah, I love this. The last thing that I picked up are these earrings. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been looking for a pair of these earrings for the longest time. Now they do have these in the dark tortoise. I think that's what it's called, tortoise. I think it's tortoise design, and they have these like darker color. But the thing is, since I have really dark brown hair, I feel like they would just camouflage with my hair, and it wouldn't really show unless I put my hair in a bun or a ponytail. But guys, these are so amazing. These were $9.99. They were not on sale, but I decided to get it because I love it so much. I like the way it looks right here, and yeah, I just really love it. Actually, I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I noticed that most of their jewelry never usually go on clearance, but their clothes do, which I don't understand why, but what can you do? So yeah, it looks like this. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, I really like it with this top. I just think it looks so pretty. Look at this. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. And you can obviously see them even with my hair being down, which I love. They're so pretty. I have a thing for hoops, if you guys don't know. Like, I love hoops. Anything hoops, I just love them. And that is probably one of my favorite styles of earrings. Oh my gosh, I love it. They are so beautiful. It's the first time I put them on, and oh my gosh, I just can't stop. It's gorgeous. So let's just move on. Now the last items I want to show you guys, I got it from Off Broadway Shoes. If you guys have never been there, they basically have a lot of shoes that are name brand, like Nike, Puma, Adidas, Uggs, and so on. And they also have accessories. Now I did not get any shoes, but I got some accessories and I wanted to share with you guys. So the first thing I picked up are these earrings right here. They are so beautiful. So they have diamonds on them. Obviously they're not real. But this was $7.99, and I just think these are absolutely beautiful. They're just so elegant and classic. They're always gonna be in style, which I love. And I have seen this brand at CVS and other stores. It is called the I Am. They never go on sale, but I absolutely love these so much. And I was so excited to find this ring, guys. You have no idea. I'm gonna show you guys in a moment why. So I got this ring right here. It is a leaf ring. Hopefully you guys see that. It's a leaf ring, and it has like diamonds on them. And this was $7.99. It is in the size small, and it looks like this. It is absolutely gorgeous. So the reason why I got this is because I actually had one exactly like it. So it actually broke because I wanted to extend this, and I feel like I was just being like a freaking gorilla, and I broke it. Now this one was just slightly a little bit like bigger. So it looks like this, and let me show you guys the other one. Hopefully I can do it. So yeah, this one was definitely more bigger. The leaves were more longer, but this one is still really beautiful, and I was so excited to get it, guys, because I've been wanting to replace it. I'm so weird. I didn't want to throw this away until I find one just like it. And now that I did, obviously I can throw this away and I don't have to feel bad for it, because that was one of my favorite rings ever. I would wear that one the most out of all the rings I have. And guys, I have a rather huge jewelry collection, so that's saying a lot. And then last but not least, I found this keychain. Again, it is the I Am brand, and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been looking for a keychain for the longest time, and I am so picky with keychains. I don't like it to look kind of cheesy or or tacky. I wanted to look sophisticated and I wanted to be gold, and this was like the perfect keychain. I was so happy to find this. So basically it has this hook where you can hook it on your purse, or wherever the heck you want to hook it on. And it has this really beautiful blush pink. It is clear and it's a beautiful heart. It's like a crystal, so beautiful. And then it has this one, it says love. And oh my gosh, guys, when I saw it, I knew it had to come with me. I finally have a keychain where I can put my keys on it and it will look cute, because so far it's just my keys with this ugly cupcake key cover that I thought I was gonna like, but I don't. I feel like it looks tacky. This was $9.99. And like I said, guys, I love it. So that is everything, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have still not subscribed, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, stay blessed. Bye.